Hey everybody, I'm Ellen here at etrailer.com, and we're going to take a quick look at the complete assembly for your 33 series Kwikee step. So this is going to allow you to get in and out of your RV easily. The nice thing about these steps is that it does come with everything you need to replace an existing step or to add one in if you didn't have one before, or maybe you're upgrading to a new style of step. So I'm going to go over some of the features with you and then give you some measurements if you are going to be using this as a replacement to make sure it's the right fit for you. Really, the easiest way to figure out if this is the same or if you have a 33 series or whatever series is to look on the underside of the step on the mounting plate here. It's best if you open it up. Sometimes you can see it even if it's not though, and there should be a sticker that from the manufacturer that has the series number on there. If it's not on the underside of this plate, it might be on one of the side plates. If not though, we'll go over those measurements. So as far as the features with this step, again, it is an electric step and it will automatically come out whenever you open the door to your RV and then come back in whenever you close the door. It's always nice so you don't have to manually operate any kind of rocker switch to get that door to come in and out. And it also has a feature so you can override that function to keep the step out. This is nice whenever you're at the campsite so you don't have to wait for that step to come in and out every time you want to go in and out of your RV. You just want it to be there every time. Whenever you do go to turn on the ignition though, if you forget to bring that step back in, it does have a safety feature to bring it in automatically once it senses the ignition has started. So you don't have to worry about that step still hanging out while you're on the road and causing any kind of issues or accidents. Another safety feature that it has is that whenever it comes out, if it happens to strike any kind of obstacle like a pylon or a piece of concrete or something, fire hydrant or anything else, it will automatically stop and then come back in. It won't just keep trying to push through that solid object. So that's another nice safety feature there. As far as what comes in the kit, it does again come as a complete assembly, so it's pretty much all put together. There's nothing really to take apart or put together with this. The only things you'll have to worry about are the wiring. So it comes with the 4-wire harness to replace that if you need that, or add it in if you didn't have it before, maybe you had a different manufacturer. It also has a new door switch sensor and the override switch. So you can add those in, and that's going to be what senses when the door opens and closes, and then again allows you to override that. Also comes with the instructions to help you with that install. The only thing it doesn't come with is mounting hardware. So that is something that you would either have to reuse from your old step or purchase new. So something to keep in mind there. The step does already have the control unit, the light, or excuse me, there is no light on this one, but it also has the motor installed. As far as that light goes, some of the other Kwikee steps have it, but it's really not that great. It's kind of a very dim light, so you're not really missing much. As far as measurements to go over, just in case you don't know what series you had or just to double check, those are going to be the main measurements to worry about. So the extended height is the distance from the top of the mounting plate to the bottommost portion of the step, and for this one it is 12 inches. Whenever everything is all sandwiched up, when it's all in its compact, ready to roll function, its folded height is 7 5/8 inches, and again that's going from the top plate to the bottommost portion of the step. Overall width, we take that from the furthest out point, so it's going to be this pivot here, or this hinge bolt kind of sticks out the most on either side, and that the overall width or the distance between those 2 points is 29 3/8 inches. The bolt pattern up here at the top on that mounting plate is 23 5/8 of an inch by 6 inches. So front to back 6 inches, side to side 23 5/8. The step itself measures 28 1/8 inch across, and then 10 3/4 inches front to back. So those are the main measurements really to worry about. The rise, or the distance from the top plate to the top step, is 8 inches. So this should be mounted up pretty close to the threshold on your RV. So there shouldn't be too much of a bigger jump to actually get into the door. As far as the other specs, you can find all of those on our website here at etrailer.com to, again, double check everything. As far as the weight capacity, it's rated for 300 pounds, and it is made in the USA. That's pretty much it as far as our look at the Kwikee 33 series step. I hope that this has been helpful in deciding if this is the right step for you. We do have a lot of options available here at etrailer.com, along with a lot of replacement parts as well. So check us out. Thanks for watching.